So this is from OXS, and thank you very much to them for sending this out. I saw OXS at IFA and made a quick video about their Funder Pro Plus and some of their other solutions. And when I arrived back, they sent me this, so that's great news. I think this is because I often work with their promotion company here in the UK. This is the Storm A2, and it's $175 worth of gaming headset. So a big upgrade from the headset that I have been using. Dual mode, Bluetooth, or the 2.4 gigahertz. Very nice to see. 70-hour battery life. Yeah, that's a fair bit more premium than the one that I've been using. Nice metalled finish here. Active noise cancelling as well. A nice carry case, USB cable for charging, and the 2.4 gigahertz transmitter. Comfortable. It's a pretty big sound, so you can cycle through, pass through, ANC on, ANC off. And yeah, I'm guessing it has a microphone as well. And is that now recording? That should now be recording into OBS the sound from this microphone. So hopefully that sounds good. These seem really comfortable. The sound is really good quality. Certainly for what I do, which is for editing videos, it is a good idea to have either really good speakers, and I do have some pretty good speakers. They're Harman Kardon, this kind of classic, I always forget what that one's called, but certainly when you're editing, to know exactly what it's going to sound like when you get really good quality, rich speakers, it's well worth knowing. If you edit just off the laptop speakers, you can't always tell the different levels. The level of noise in the background, for instance, doesn't come through on smaller tinny speakers, so we'll see. This one device that I've definitely recommended has been the Big Me High Break Pro. Cool, so thank you very much OXS for shipping these out. Be a delight to try them.